In contrast to a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, in which you may eliminate most or all of your debts, a Chapter 13 bankruptcy requires that you, depending upon the facts of your case, pay some or all of your debts over a period of up to 5 years. Accordingly, Chapter 13 bankruptcy is typically looked to for relief only when Chapter 7 is not an option. The following are reasons to file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. You have too much income to file under Chapter 7. You have fallen behind in mortgage payments and want to keep your home. Your home is in foreclosure and you want to keep it. You have a second mortgage on your residence that you want to reduce while continuing to pay your first mortgage. You have property that you cannot keep in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and you want to keep it. You received a Chapter 7 discharge within the past 8 years. You have debts that are not dischargeable in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, such as student loans and taxes, which you want to pay in a Chapter 13 payment plan. When you file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, an automatic stay will be issued by the court, which will stop all collection and legal actions against you. If your home is in foreclosure, the stay will stop the foreclosure action and allow you an opportunity to pay the amount in arrears according to a payment plan. The Chapter 13 bankruptcy must be filed prior to the sale of the home in foreclosure. If this is your second recent Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you will receive an automatic stay for only 30 days. To extend the automatic stay requires obtaining permission from the bankruptcy judge assigned to your case. If this is your third recent Chapter 13 bankruptcy filing, no automatic stay can be granted. To qualify for a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you must have enough income to pay your living expenses and payment required under the plan. In addition, the amount of debts that can be included in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is limited. Currently, the total amount of unsecured debts, such as credit cards and personal loans, may not exceed $383,175, and the total amount of secured debts, such as mortgages and auto loans, may not exceed $1,149,525. These amounts are periodically increased. If your debts exceed these amounts, you are not eligible for Chapter 13 bankruptcy and must consider Chapter 11 bankruptcy. A unique aspect of Chapter 13 bankruptcy is that if you have a second mortgage on your primary residence that is totally unsecured, which means that the value of the home is less than the amount owed on the first mortgage, you may be able to strip off the second mortgage and turn it into an unsecured debt. The debt would then be paid in the repayment plan along with your other unsecured debts. For example, if you're required to repay only 10% of the total amount of your unsecured debts, you would need to pay 10% of your second mortgage in the Chapter 13 payment plan. For more information on Chapter 13 bankruptcy, call us toll-free at 855-625-0800 to schedule a free consultation.